Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Microsoft account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow the support article of Microsoft. And from here, we will have many ways on how you can reset your account. So let's suppose that you have forgotten your username. You will be able to start searching for your account username by going to this tool. So you can simply go to the search and basically it will be on the account.live slash username slash recover. And from here, you can start to recover your username in case you have forgotten it by either your phone or your email. Then you click on next and you will be contacted your username on these credentials. Otherwise, if you have simply like forgotten your uh, password, you will be able to reset forgotten Microsoft account password by going to forgotten your password. So basically, let's just go to, for example, I'm just going to sign out or whatever. And basically, you will be needing just to click on I forgot my password. And from there, you will be needing just to choose a verification method. So either they will send a verification code on your phone number or on your recovery email. And then you click on next. You get a verification code on these credentials, one of them, the one that you have chosen. You add these the email or the number, you get the code and you add the code, and basically they will take you or redirect you to the page where you want or where you will be able to reset your password. Then you will need just to add your password, you copy it or you just like confirm your password and you click on next and submit, and basically you will be able to successfully reset the account. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.